Pagi boleh situ merapat. Krista, ayo mau penyeluk sini lo.
Passion to go here. You mean right here or Padang? This area. This waterfall. Yes.
Okay.
Well, I've never been to the rainforest before. To the tropics. So we wanted to come and explore, see what this beautiful waterfall looks like, to see the water, to be around the nature.
And for your information,
Yes.
our forest in West Padang,
Yes.
majority is tropical rainforest.
Yes.
Like this.
Like this. I know, it's beautiful. It's very different to where I'm from.
How you get here? From Padang
Yeah, Padang.
and
We take the motorcycle
by foot?
by
By
scooter.
Scooter.
Scooter, yes.
Rent scooter.
Rent scooter.
Okay.
Yes.
And where you stay in Padang? Hotel maybe?
Hostel.
Hotel. Where?
Beside the river. Beside the...
Beside river?
Yes.
Muaro maybe?
Near the port.
Near the port? Okay.
Yeah, near the port.
Muaro.
Yeah. Yes.
You know
Muaro.
the name of hostel? Muaro?
Cocos. Cocos.
In the south.
Near from City Nurbaya Bridge. You know City Nurbaya Bridge?
It's near the bridge that crosses the river
Okay.
to the mountainside.
That we call Muaro.
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 Muaro, it's the name of the port. Muaro Port.
Muaro, yes.
Muaro, yeah, Muaro.
And you plan to go to Mentawai maybe?
Mentua, yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Mentua.
Survey.
He's surfing.
Tomorrow.
We snorkeling. We swimming. Yes.
On the boat?
Only
Or you get a guide to Mentawai?
no guide, no guide. We go to Mentua.
Why? Why?
Why no guide?
Yeah.
I don't know. We haven't found a guide yet.
You are so brave to...
We're so brave.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you.
think you are very brave to go new place
New place.
with a guide.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Well, we appreciate you having us. We love this place. Beautiful.
And maybe we can now how much budget you spend in Padang.
How much budget we have? Very little. Very little.
Little what?
Yeah.
We pay
How much?
for food or for what? For food for what?
Pardon me?
For food or accommodation or
Okay.
yes? For everything?
Accommodation,
Yeah.
ticketing, or food, everything else.
Yeah. Accommodation we try to pay between
Maybe
200,000.
150 to 200,000.
No, too much.
150,000.
is it
100,000.
not expensive for you? Maybe.
No, 100,000 a night.
100,000, 200. No, we're not paying on that. That's 5 years.
That's all right, bro.
That's not. We're not paying that.
How old are you guys?
How old are you?
Do you know how,
How-
to get
how old do
home
you think
so
we
you don't
are?
have to go to the river?
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
Yeah.
19 maybe?
19. So it's 21.
21, okay. And you? Maybe 22.
Holland came from South Africa. Holland also came from South Africa. Colonized. They did the same in South Africa.
Okay.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari UPTD, PAI Bukit Barisan, Dinas Kehutanan Provinsi Sumatera Barat. Hari ini kami bersama Kepala KPAI Bukit Barisan dan tim mengunjungi salah satu objek wisata potensi dari HKM Balai Gadang, Kelurahan Balai Gadang, Kecamatan Koto Tangah, Kota Padang, tepatnya di Sungai Bangek. Nama objek yang kita kunjungi adalah Lubuak Ngalauan, yang insya Allah ini berada di dalam areal hutan kemasyarakatan. Pada saat kami berkunjung, kami juga bersama dengan beberapa orang asing atau Bulle, sebanyak 4 orang. 3 diantaranya laki-laki dan 1 orang perempuan. Mereka berasal dari berbagai macam negara. Ada yang dari Belanda, ada yang dari Afrika Selatan, dan ada yang dari Republik Ceko. Tapi keempat-empatnya mereka kuliah di Belanda. Mereka datang kemari memang tujuan ingin ke Lubuak Ngalauan, ingin mencoba, ingin merasakan sensasi berenang di Lubuak Ngalauan. Dan alhamdulillah bertemu dengan kami, tim KPAI Bukit Barisan, kami sempat berdialog sedikit dengan mereka. Mereka tahu tempat ini dari beberapa teman mereka, yang katanya teman mereka itu tahunya dari sosial media. Itu pertanda bahwa potensi yang kita miliki itu sudah dikenal oleh mancanegara. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang berdomisili di Padang ataupun Sumatera Barat, ketinggalan. Orang dari luar aja udah kesini. Masa kalian belum kesini? Ayo, mari kesini. Demikian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sip. Pane. Oke, Pane.
That's on.
Ya. Gimana? Majuin tapi camnya.
Is it maybe possible I can have a cigarette?
Okay. Please. Silakan.
I don't have one. Is it
Oh.
maybe. Yo. Thank you so much.
Lava. Ya.
Strong on the lungs. Just put in there. Yeah. You sure? Okay? Okay. Hey, Bang.
Dari mana, bro? Kita selatan, kita selatan. Emir. Ya, itu yang Afrika Selatan. Nah, yang Afrika Selatan yang jalan yang Iraq. Ya, bisa.
Dari Arab.
Arab tadi. Oh, nak apa-apa.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yes, all right. Go big. Go.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Karena aja boleh-boleh mana pun ada aktif. Ya. Free.
Iya.
Tapi misalnya berarti penting lah. Tapi tahu gitu.
Yang penting nyambung, bro. Betul kalau dapat.
Dapat tiket dong.
Kasih syarat dah.
Ada. Go back je. Yo je. Apa kita ngerti itu.
Betul. Kalau rawat, go back. Nah, tuh. Ayam cobek.